Welcome to Jurong Secondary School. Here at the General Office, students and guests will enjoy the first glimpse of the warm hospitality the school has to offer. The Pulse Studio was once a shooting range. Now, it is a special activities and performance venue with modular seating. Many CCAs, especially the performing arts groups, have their practices here.
The Heritage Gallery honors important milestones in the school's journey from 1963 to the present. It is a constant reminder of how far we've come and an inspiration for the great things that we can achieve in the future.
This vibrant space is the Chillax Corner, a haven where we can relax and connect with peers after school. Here, we can unwind over a game of pool or table football.
JSS students are very hardworking. This study area is where my friends and I meet our teachers whenever we need help with our work. Our teachers are very caring. They would patiently guide us. We love our teachers.
We are very proud of our Imaginarium. It's more than just a co-working space. Anyone can put up a project proposal and use the materials and machineries in the room under the guidance of expert teachers. Here, creativity rules.
One of my favorite places in school is our library. Its serene environment is ideal for self-study and reflection. This is also where we can learn table games such as chess if you're up for a challenge.
Not to be missed is the Art Gallery. We enjoy viewing the artistic expressions of JSS students past and present. These works of art breathe life into and add color to our lives.
Going green is our future. In class, we get to learn the basics of urban farming. This allows us to experience firsthand what it's like to work towards food security for Singapore. JSS is a sporting powerhouse. The field is where most action takes place. Indeed, other than being champions of mind, we also indulge in an active lifestyle.
Fancy a latte or freshly baked muffins? The Pot Cafe is where we hone our entrepreneurial dare. Apart from serving delicious treats, we also learn how to run a business efficiently. Thank you for coming on this tour with us. We hope to see you around.